and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about our brand new nail drill and how to use it like a pro. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss one of our beginner series videos again. We are so excited to show you our brand new nail drill. We designed our nail drill to be cordless and lightweight, making it portable and easier to use. With that being said, we know that a nail drill can be very intimidating, but don't worry, I'll be telling you tips and tricks to make sure you're using your drill safely. First, let's walk through everything you'll receive with your drill. When you open the box, you'll see the nail drill pen, all of the necessary bits and bands, a USB charging cord, and written instructions for further guidance. Our nail drill comes with 7 different bits needed for all parts of your manicure. You can use these bits to remove shine or your dry cuticles, and even removing dip powder when you're getting ready for your next manicure. Inserting a drill bit is easy. Gently push the bit into the small opening of the drill, leaving about 1 centimeter of space between the pen and the top of the bit. Once the drill bit is securely in place, apply a sand band to the bit. Our drill comes with 3 different sand bands: fine, medium, and coarse. Sand bands will help remove the shine from your natural nails and speed up the prep process. Before you begin, make sure your drill is charged using the provided USB charging cable. A red light will indicate that it is charging, and a green light will indicate that it is fully charged. To start the drill, press the power button. Our nail drill also runs at 3 different speeds: slow, medium, and high. To adjust the speed, press the power button. And if this is your first time using a drill, we recommend using a slower speed at first. This will help you practice without over-filing and ruining your natural nail. You can also change the direction of the drill bit rotation by pressing the button closest to the bottom of the pen. This comes in handy when switching off working with your left and right hand. Now you're ready to start using your drill. When prepping your nails, we recommend using a mandrel bit with a fine band or a small diamond bit. This will help to remove shine from your natural nails. Gently maneuver the drill along the surface of the nail to remove dust, debris, and dry cuticles. Once this is done, you can continue with the manicure as normal. When you're ready to remove your manicure, we suggest using a flame drill bit for the most effective removal. Gently maneuver the drill from the cuticle line to the tip of the nail instead of moving side to side. And to fully speed up the removal process, we always recommend removing at least 70 to 80% of dip powder before soaking off the excess. And this will lessen the time needed for foil wraps or the nail spa. After you finish using the drill, there are a couple things you should keep in mind. Make sure the drill is turned off before disassembling to avoid damage or injury. And once the drill is off, remove the drill bits using a towel or gloves. Since the bit is tightly secured, this will prevent you from damaging the pen or hurting your fingers in the process. When the drill is disassembled, you can dispose of the sand band and clean the drill bits using alcohol. This will remove any excess dirt or dust from the bit, ensuring you have a clean and safe manicure every time. And there you have it, everything you need to know about your nail drill to use it safely and effectively. And again, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video ever again. Also, leave a comment down below letting us know how excited you are to pick up our brand new nail drill. Thanks for watching. Bye!